everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what my desk setup is like working from home as a business analyst. Let's go. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies have allowed their employees to work from home. I've been working from home since March of 2020, which means I needed a pretty good desk setup in order to work effectively. Living in New York City means I don't have a lot of space in my room to work with, as you can see here. So I'll show you how I set up my desk while I'm able to conserve space as well. For those of you who don't know what a business analyst is, or a BA for short, allow me to give a brief overview. So in a company, BAs essentially bridge the gap between technology teams and business units by accessing processes and workflows, and they determine requirements to deliver a data-driven recommendation for software products to key business stakeholders. So that might have sounded like a lot of jargon, but basically all of my work is done on the computer. I have tons of meetings every day with various people from different departments within the company. I have to document notes from the meetings, as well as respond to inquiries from our software users, as well as outline and prioritize tasks for different teams to work on. So these first three items that I'm going to show were provided to me from my company. So first, I use the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I also use the Apple Magic Keyboard, as well as the Apple Magic Mouse. I find it more comfortable to work with these because I find that I can type faster when I use an external keyboard, and I can click faster using the external mouse, as opposed to using the keyboard and the trackpad that's already on the MacBook Pro. I really think that keyboard is not the best, in my opinion. I also use these Beats Solo headphones. They're wireless, and they connect to the computer via Bluetooth, and I use these to take all of my meetings. I find that the sound and the microphone on these headphones to be a lot better, and the fact that it's wireless allows me to move around my room when I take these meetings, so I don't have to be stuck to my desk. I can also block out noise coming from outside, so it allows me to maintain my laser sharp focus when I'm working. I also got this desk from Walmart, which has this keyboard tray for my external keyboard and mouse that I can pull in and out, along with the top shelf and a bottom shelf. One way to save space on your desk is to have shelves on the desks so you can use it for storage. I usually just use this shelf as a place for personal items because I don't have any other space for it, such as my tablets and mints. As for the bottom shelf, I have this electric massager that I got from Amazon. Some chargers, and some baby wipes. Don't ask me why I have the baby wipes. I also recently got this adjustable laptop stand that clamps onto my desk. I just have to clamp it somewhere on the desk, and I can adjust the height and how far I want the arm to extend. And then I can place my laptop on top. The reason why I got this clamp was because I wanted to elevate my laptop so that I don't end up in a hunched over position you see so many people who spend hours on a computer are. By elevating the screen, I'm forced to look up and keep my posture upright. I can always adjust the laptop tray, so if I want to turn this into a standing desk, I can. Also, by elevating my laptop, I have space on my desk for more items, like my notebook and water bottle. So that was pretty much my desk setup for working from home. I'll try to link all the items I showed in this video down in the description below. I'm not being sponsored by any of these products that I mentioned, so please give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos where I review products or I talk about my career. In the meantime, check out my New York City vlogs somewhere here, and my advice on how to always get good grades in school. So until the next video, and see you guys later.